It can be incredibly frustrating when you have spent time troubleshooting your motorcycle, checking the usual suspects, and it still refuses to fire up. That feeling of hitting a wall, wondering what else there could possibly be, is something many riders experience. You have put in the effort, but the engine remains silent. If your motorcycle still will not start after you have systematically worked through common issues like battery charge, fuel supply, and spark, it means the problem likely lies in a more complex area or is a symptom of an interconnected system failure. It is a clear signal that the initial fixes did not address the root cause, and a deeper diagnostic approach is needed. The fundamental reason basic fixes might not work is that a motorcycle engine requires a precise combination of for elements to run: adequate fuel, sufficient air, a strong spark, and proper compression. If any one of these is significantly off, the engine will not ignite. Often, what appears to be a simple issue, like a weak spark, might be caused by a faulty sensor further upstream, or what seems like a fuel issue could actually be a vacuum leak preventing proper air intake. These systems are not isolated but work in concert. Now, how can you approach this when the usual steps have failed? First, take a moment to retrace your initial steps very carefully. Did you truly confirm a healthy spark, strong battery voltage under load, and unobstructed fuel flow to the carburetor or fuel injectors? Sometimes, a quick check can miss a subtle detail. Then, expand your investigation to less obvious culprits like a failing crankshaft position sensor, a clogged exhaust, or even internal engine issues like low compression. If you lack the specialized tools or confidence for these deeper checks, or if you encounter diagnostic trouble codes you do not understand, it is definitely time to call a qualified motorcycle mechanic. Understanding the limits of your own diagnostic capabilities is an important skill in itself. For instance, a basic multimeter can help you test sensor resistance or circuit continuity, and a compression tester can reveal issues with your engine's internal health. These tools allow you to move beyond simply checking for fuel, air, and spark to truly measure their effectiveness and presence. Being able to pinpoint that a part is failing or that compression is low, even if you do not perform the repair yourself, empowers you to have a more informed conversation with your mechanic, potentially saving diagnostic labor costs. Ultimately, recognizing when a problem has escalated beyond simple fixes and choosing to seek expert assistance is a hallmark of responsible motorcycle ownership. It not only protects your investment by preventing potential further damage but also ensures that your motorcycle is repaired correctly and safely, getting you back on the road with peace of mind and reliability.